Alright, today we're going to be learning how to install a new CPU into a Dell computer. First step is to remove the side, and then we're going to go into the computer. We're going to remove anything in the way of the heatsink, which is covering the CPU because it gets hot. I pre-unscrewed everything, but there are a couple screws in here, and you just take that heatsink off. There should be some kind of mechanism locking it in. It's got a lever in this case. Take it off, and then at this point you would remove the current CPU and then replace it with another one. Take it out of this socket like this, and then you replace it with a new one.
Cook the one below it. 3x2.
There we go. Replace everything, put it back where it was. Take the heat sink, put it back in. Re-screw it. Right there and right there. We're not going to worry about that right now. Replug everything that was unplugged in the process. And then we're going to put the side back on.
Right? You know what I mean? Very, very little modification.
Alright. And that was how to install a new CPU to a Dell computer.